Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well. If this is the first time you've seen this face, hello, hi. My name is Topsy. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thanks for coming back. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my current favorites with you. I don't tend to do monthly favorites just because I don't always have favorites every month. So I always sort of do this kind of videos every now and then when I feel like I have new products that I'm loving to share with you. So yeah, without further ado, because I've been known to just talk and talk and talk, so let me just get into this video. So the first item I'm going to share with you that made its way into my current favorites is actually something that is quite big, so I'm just going to carry it and get it out of the way. So it's a makeup bag, or it's a makeup carrier bag, and it looks like that, right? Apologies if my lens is not focusing, but it looks like this. And as you can see, we've got a compartment for your brushes up top, and then down below is where you can put your makeup and stuff like that. So you can separate. They sort of separate them into compartments, and you can remove the dividers to make more space if you need more space, or you can expand them or reduce them if you want to, depending on how much space you need. There's a velcro thingy at the top of this to sort of make sure that your brushes are not exposed, and yeah, that's how it looks like. So I'm going to put it down now because it's quite heavy. The reason I purchased this was that I was just looking for somewhere where to put my everyday makeup items that I wear on a day-to-day basis, and also something to travel with, to put my makeup in whenever I travel. And this fits the bill. It does both. So I don't always have to have my items scattered all over my dresser on top of my bed. I can just take it out of that, use it, put it back. Very quick, very neat, and I love it. I've had it for about a month and I'm loving it. And I think it's the best thing I ever actually bought recently. So I got it from Amazon. I'll leave all the details down below. It cost me roughly about £30, I believe, and I got the large size. I believe it comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, large, if I'm not mistaken, and I got the large one. So moving on to makeup, I will start with a primer that I've been loving. I've had my eye on this primer for quite a while. I've heard some amazing things about this primer, so I just needed to try it out for myself. As you guys know, Sephora is cancelled, or more like they cancelled me, or they cancelled us in the UK. So obviously I couldn't shop on Sephora. So my bestie was going to America, and she kindly picked this up for me. So thank you, Bim. I appreciate it. She watches my videos, so just wanted to give her a shout out quickly. So the primer I'm talking about is a Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. I'm sure you probably heard a lot about it. It looks like that. You probably can't see it because it's pretty much white and my lights are washing things out. Yeah, it's like a I don't know how to. It's like a moussey, creamy consistency. I've been using it now for probably about a month now, and I am in love. It basically leaves your skin looking like butter, so smooth. Everything just pores or disappearing. What I would say is it's quite expensive, so obviously it's a splurge. And also, I would not say he does a great job at oil control. So if you're looking for this to mattify your face, this would not be the primer for you. I would advise to use a mattifying primer or something for oil control, and then apply this. So what I do is I put this all over my face, and in my T-zone where I get oiliest the most, I put like a mattifier. For me, it will probably be the Becca primer or the Makeup Forever matte primer. So, but this for smoothing out the face and just giving you a great canvas to work on. I really, really, really have been loving this, and yes, made its way into my favorite currently. Moving on to foundation. Again, this is a new foundation that I always wanted to pick up because obviously, you know, Jackie was the one who basically collabed with Too Faced to bring out more colors. So I've been eyeing up this foundation. Is one that yeah, that I've always wanted to try, and I finally got my shade because online for a long time I couldn't get my shade. So now it came back in stock and I managed to get it, and I've been loving it. It's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and the shade that I'm in is spiced rum. Yeah, I love this foundation. Is what I have on today. I love the finish. I wouldn't say, you know, it's matte. I would say it's more like a maybe demi matte finish. It's okay at oil control, but you have to make sure that you've got your base in terms of your mattifying primers on before you put it on, because I don't think it actually claims to be a mattifying primer. I mean, a mattifying foundation. So I would say make sure you prep your skin very well, like you would normally do. But I love the finish. Yeah, it's a medium to full coverage foundation, and it does the job. I really like it. I've been enjoying this, and I've been using it quite a lot since I got it. So yeah, current fave. I did a review on this concealer, and it's definitely one that I really like. I mean, as you guys know, I suffer really badly with dry under eyes, and I'm always on the hunt for concealer that would hydrate my under eyes. So I was very intrigued about the Studio Fix concealer when it came out, and it claims to be a 24-hour smooth wear concealer. I think it does a great job. It doesn't crease on me. It stays put. I mean, I already have experience with the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer, which does a great job. But if you're familiar with that concealer, you'd know that it's not very user-friendly. I have broken one or two bottles in the past. So I like the fact that this one is more user-friendly. It comes in a tube with a doe applicator, and unlike the Prolonged Wear where you have to pump it, and it's also in a glass bottle. So I definitely have been loving this, and it's been doing a great job, and I've been using it quite often. I'm going to move on to lashes because my sister put me onto these lashes and I love them. She kept on raving about Primark lashes. Maybe I'm slow to the game, I don't know. But now, you know, I'm all clued up and I'm woke on the Primark lashes. This is what it looks like. I just get it out of the box. So this is how the box looks like. The style that I got is Dubai. It's the style called Dubai. And this is how it looks like. I have worn it 2 or 3 times, and that's what it looks like. For a £5 lash, which is, ooh, I don't know what I was trying to do there. But anyway, for lashes that cost £5, I think it looks quite nice. I think they have a few more styles. I would say this is probably one of the simplest styles, but I'm definitely interested to try the other styles. And yeah, they're not too flimsy, and they're not too, the band is not too thick, as you can see. I love it. I love the style, but you know me, and I love my dramatic lashes, so I might actually go and pick other dramatic styles of lash. But for £5, I was like, yes. So yeah, Primark did that. I think it's good. It's definitely good value for money. I've worn this, like I said, a couple of times, and I definitely feel like it still has another 2 or 3 wears in it. So for £5, I would say that's definitely value for money. Yeah, I've only got one more thing to share with you that made its way into my current faves. You guys know how much I rave about the Bum Bum Cream by Janeiro. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Sol de Janeiro, the Bum Bum Cream. And I've always wanted to pick up the mist, the body mist, the body fragrance mist, because obviously if that cream smells so bomb and I use it every single day just because of the smell, I was so intrigued to see how the mist was gonna smell like. I wish you guys could smell through the screen. It smells exactly like the Bum Bum Cream. And yeah, for days when I don't feel like wearing like heavy perfume, or you just want to just smell fresh, just has that holiday tropical smell. It smells so good. I only got this like maybe about two weeks ago, and I'm already like down over there. Yeah, it smells so good. It's like, oh, it's the best. I really do like it. And this is the Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. And I've definitely been loving this, and it's made its way into my favorites. Today, that's all the products that I've been loving, that I'm loving currently, that are new to my collection or to my makeup, to my life. And yeah, I just thought to share with you guys in case, yeah, just in case you wanted to know, if you cared to know. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys in another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye. Straight from heaven. I'm so thankful for my blessing. What you do to me, I can't figure out.